others. My, my primary education is from St. Anne's Hatti Gold Mines.
Okay.
Up to 10th, I pursued my education from Hatti Gold Mines up to 10th. After completing my 10th, I came to Gulbarga for higher education. I have done my PUC from Gulbarga itself, and I've completed my pharmacy from Tipu Sultan College of Pharmacy. And after completing a pharmacy, I was suddenly on the job. So
Okay.
this is my background about my education. Thank you.
What are the challenges did you face in your sales career, sir?
Challenges. My dear friend, when you talk about marketing and sales, let me clarify because you are pursuing MBA. Majority of the times, people who come into marketing, they have a confusion regarding sales and marketing.
Okay.
Sales means they think it's a salesman job. So the basic challenge in marketing, see, salesman is different and marketing is different.
Yeah.
So when you go into sales as a marketing person, there are a lot of challenges. I can't say challenges, responsibilities.
Okay.
So first of all, you have to improve your personality. First is personality development. Second is skill development. And third is communications. Most of the time, whatever you communicate to the people, they do not understand. The basic challenge in marketing, that is sales line, is that you see some of the persons will try to sell the product will not sell unless the person looks for the solution of the product. Example, I am a very fat, I want a product which can make me slim. If a person comes to me and sells a cosmetic product, it never sells. The basic challenge is we have to identify the customer as per the requirement by giving a solution in the form of a product. This is the basic responsibility of a marketing person. So this is a skill development. Second is communications. The biggest second is communication. Many of the times we try to communicate something, we say something and they understand something. The major point is, if you see or if you go long back, when in my initial days of my marketing and sales, people used to say salesman means he speaks more. Now the trend has changed. Salesperson means not speaking more, giving more information in less time,
Yes, sir.
because no one has time. So thereby, if you want to improve and if you want to develop, the biggest responsibility is that you should communicate in such a form you have to consume less time and give more information with solution, not the product. So if you give a solution, product will be sold. This is the biggest responsibility I take. I say, and the responsibility is that whichever the organization you are working for or will be working for, you should be an asset than being a liability for that. So thereby, there are a lot of scope for that. I hope the responsibility part I have tried to give in a simpler way. Next question, please.
What are the achievements did you gain in your career?
Achievements of mine.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Uh, as soon as I completed my college, I then I went for a job. I would like to share this experience with you. It may be beneficial in your career also. I had been for Bangalore for the first company as a medical representative. But clearly speaking about, I had prepared myself regarding academic part of everything. What is this? What is that? What is this? Everything I had by heart at. The moment I went to that chamber in the cabin, whatever I have read was of no use. The only one thing was observed in marketing was the communication part, your confidence part and the communication part. You can see me, my communication or marketing, I have a command over communication because I am a trainer in communication also. So thereby, on that basis, I got a job as a medical representative. I have served that first company for almost 1 year. There I was not successful. There I was not successful because I was working. I was working. Note this point. I was working. The moment the second company I got, there I started learning.
Okay.
Once you learn the things, new things, skill development, you start automatically working towards the goals. So working is not important. Learning and implementation and work. Learning and implementation. So thereby I become #1 medical representative in India with that company. From there, I went to Bombay. I have served in Bombay for almost 10 years. I was associated with IPCA laboratories. I had made a history over there. From the day of the launch of the company up to my joining, the territory was not achieving the target. I was the first person to achieve the targets. I say targets. Sir, majority of the time, people look for targets for achieving. I say that don't look for target for achieving. You set a goal, you have a mindset, you set a target for yourself. What do you want to become in so many years? Then you set your target for yourself, you are working for your target, and automatically whatever the assignments have been given to you, you achieve that because you have set a goal for yourself and your target is your growth. So thereby when you are wherever you are working, your goals are achieved because you have your own target mindset of growing to a certain level. So thereby also I have achieved and I have become Maharashtra #1 sales manager. I came to Karnataka with Medivings Bioscience Private Limited. I have taken a challenge over there. The entire sale of Karnataka was just 30,000. I joined just as a manager. In a year, I have taken from 30,000 to 70 lakh rupees. In the span of 2 years, I have taken to 1.3 crores and I was promoted as the regional sales head of Karnataka, part of Maharashtra and Goa. I have served for the company. That is my last assignment in pharma industry. The moment I completed the pharma industry, I have opened my own franchisee of pharmaceutical franchisee, and thereby, by doing that, simultaneously I came into network marketing. Network marketing I am doing, and within a span of people have been slogging around from years together. In the span of just 1 year, I have achieved a level called Star Director, and I am the first in Gulbarga. Wherever I have gone, I have remained #1. It's not because I compete with others. The biggest competition is with myself. When you compete with yourself, there is no competition left over around. So if you want to be successful in your life, you have to compete with yourself. Do not compete with others because you don't know others. You know yourself. So compete with your weakness and make the strength, and that strength will give you success in your life. This is that I am doing. Right now at present, apart from network marketing, I have been assigned a very big responsibility as a national training wing chairman for an NGO called Pushpanjali Welfare Society. It is Madhya Pradesh, Indore based. I am taking care of the training part of entire India for training people for communication and command over the language. And this is my small brief achievements about myself.
If I want to start my sales career, sir, how to start my sales career?
Well, very good question asked. How to start?
Yes, sir.
Before saying that how to start, let me clarify why to start.
Okay.
When you're clear with why to start, how to start is very clear.
Okay.
So why to start? You have to be very clear what do you want from your life. When you have chosen this path of marketing, so you should know why. Why I have chosen for this path. So when you're clear with why, how becomes easy. The why part is, sir, Rizwan sir, if you want to become successful in this marketing field, your why is that what do I want from myself in my career in a long run. So you have started, many of the times people join an organization, they join as a salesman or salesperson, they stuck over there. They get stuck over there. They do not grow because their why is not clear where they want to go. So make your why clear first. What do you want to become? What do you want to make yourself from this career, and where do you want to reach? You have a mindset. Make a clear why. Make your why clear, and I'll tell how to do. In that why, you have to learn a lot. You have to learn a lot. First, if you want to learn, you have to develop your skills. You have to develop your personality. You should be flexible to move around anywhere in India. You should not be fixed. I will work in Gulbarga, I will work in Bangalore, I will work in Hubli. You should not stick to a particular territory. You should be flexible to tour around wherever it is required for your personal growth and your professional growth. And continuous learning. Continuous learning is there. If you see my YouTube also, I have mentioned learning is earning. If you want to earn, you have to learn more. So you have to learn continuously. Every new steps you have to learn, and then your why is clear. And how to do it, and what are the benefits, I'll clarify also. How to do it, whatever you learn, a simple thing, just implement what you learn. There is nothing good or bad. There is nothing good or bad. There is one result, pass or fail. When you are not attempted, there is a no result. If you attempt for a particular thing which you have learned, a result will come. Either you have passed, either you have failed. If you have failed, relearn, correct yourself, try again, you will success. If you are successful, implement that, improve on that, and you'll grow. So thereby, many people, they fail because of failure. They do not try, take risk, take chance. When you are in marketing, if you see, as I said, marketing is nothing but a game of communication. How do you communicate yourself to others, and how do you solve the problem as a particular person by a product? It may be a product, it may be money, anything. The solution, if the solution is sold, automatically the product is sold. So thereby, if you want to build your career in this, you have to learn, do, learn, implement, learn, success, learn, grow. These are the points. And I would like to add on some things to you, Rizwan, as you have asked me, because I being a trainer, if I do not give some points to you, my interview will be of no use. First of all, you should have a habit of time management. Time has value. Once your money is lost, it can be regained. When anything is lost in your life, it can be regained. Once your time is lost, we can't get it back. Thereby, being into the profession, time is the most important factor. Doing the things on time, on right time. So something if you're doing a work and you're completing after years together, it is overtime. It's about the time. Anything which is done in the time, on time, within the time, that has value. So thereby, you have to make time for work, time for yourself, and time for every work which you do. First is time management. Second is you have to improve your personality. Personality development is very much required. Personality means I do not say that you have to be slim, trim, bulky, builder like that. No. Personality means how is your appearance, how do you talk, how do you open your communication, how do you close your communication. This all it comes in personality. Then above all, you should be a good negotiator. Your negotiation with anything should be perfect. No one can be perfect. You can come close to the perfectness. So you have to be a good negotiator. Example, if you want to learn from the small babies, children. They ask something to their parents. Unless they get it, they will not live to their parents. So thereby, they are very good. They have a very good command over their, negotiation. They get slaps, they get abused, and after that, they get a chocolate. So thereby, in professional life also, if you get through failures, do not get afraid of it, because today is a failure, tomorrow is your day. Because after every darkness, there is brightness. After every night, there is a sunlight, a day. So thereby, when you are starting your career, if by chance something happens with your career, some failure comes, it is temporary, not permanent. You have to learn from what you have failed from. Learning is very important, and improve your communication skills. I'm coming back on communication skills. You have to improve your communication skills. Above all, discipline. You have to be very discipline oriented person. So if you have no discipline, then there is nothing. When you're starting this, you are taking this profession, take it as a profession, not as a time pass. Many of the people come into the profession just to get a degree. No, my dear sir, MBA, if you're doing that, when you're pursuing this education, you have to get out of it all the benefits of it. You have to utilize this education to a level where you can reach sky is the limit. So you see, just doing I have served almost 28 years into marketing. After putting 28 years, now I am saying that marketing field is the field where everyone should come. So thereby, you have to do, learn, implement, learn, grow. This is what I want to say. If any questions is there, please.
I will work on that, sir. You gave that point, 3 points. I will work on it. I'm sure that I will check it and I will definitely work on it. Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I should thank you that you had given your time to me, something for me. You might come into your life,
Yes, sir.
use it, you grow. God bless you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.